Do you want to learn how to use Dreamina by Capcut? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So here you're going to see the showcase page. These are all the images that are generated by the community. And you can see here, you can also use the same prompt, or you can download these images to your computer. Now on the left-hand side, you're going to find assets. So all the images and videos that you have generated, it's going to show up over here. The image generator, this is the one that I wanted to show you. It has this Dream 3.0 model, which is really popular right now. You can change between these models inside it. Now in generate images, you can just put a prompt here. They don't have a prompt generator, so you just need to type it yourself, or you can use Chat GPT in order to generate the prompt. Put it here. You can also use the reference. I'm going to show you how it works. There's a draw text on image. So based on this, let's say I use this one, which I just typed in this prompt, and I added these quotation marks, and inside it I typed in episode 1. You can see that the text is on the image, which looks really nice. You can choose a resolution, standard 1K. It's going to take in 2 credits out of your total balance. As you sign up on this website, you're going to get 120 credits. For the high 2K resolution, you're going to get 3 trial users. Out of that, I've already used 2 trial users. That's why I've got 1 left. And for these 4 image generations, it's going to take in just 2 credits. In the aspect ratio, you can change the dimension, make it 1:1, 16:9, etc. You can also custom input the size over here, the width and height. And I'm going to show you some images that I've generated with this. On the right hand side, you can see I asked it to create me an image of Super Dog. This is what it generated. And I'm going to show you how it looks like. So this one was really nice, and I'm going to scroll between all 4. This one also looks good, but these look cartoony. It depends on your taste. If you like them, good. And you can download it to your computer by clicking on this button. You can also add it to favorites, edit on canvas, which is going to take you over to the image edit. You can upload an image. You can use text to image. You can also use image to image. So it's going to add that image inside the blending layers, and you can enter a prompt. It's going to make something like this, but use this reference image in order to generate that. There's also style references you can add. You can also use these more references here. This was for 2K resolution. And the second prompt I added was create me an image of Super Dog that is saving the Earth from giant asteroid. And you can see here, this is image 3.0 again, Dream 3.0. This is 16:9 and 2K resolution. This one looks much high definition and much crispier, and you can see all of 4 of them. I'm not sure why it's going on the different direction when the asteroid is here. These are the ones. Now I use this text on image, the draw text on image feature, and I added this prompt, generate an YouTube thumbnail with Super Dog meeting Superwoman Dog, and Super Dog has flowers in hand. Superwoman Dog is surprised. Episode 1 inside the quotation marks. And these are what it generated. This doesn't look that good. This is also weird. And this one was the best one. It has the text very clearly displayed, and the episode 1 as well. Now, what I did was I upscaled this. So you can use this upscale feature, and you can upscale the image. Next up, I use this feature, which is generate video, which is going to make a video out of it. So I'm going to click on here, and it's going to put this image inside the image prompt. You can also just click on this generate video, and instead of clicking here, you can just click it and drag it onto here. And instead of typing a prompt, you can leave it, or you can say looking good, ready to fight the villains. You can also use the last frame. You can have a last frame here. It's up to you if you want to control how the animation would end. So based on this, if you enter the last frame, it's going to end on that frame. There's model. You can select the version 2.0, which is currently not available with the last frame. So I'm going to remove that. And I entered in this prompt here, camera control. You can do that if you want. Zoom out, zoom in, and all this. I'm just going to keep it random. And the motion speed, you can go for fast, normal, and slow. I just kept it slow for this one. It doesn't change the credits, so it's fine. You can make it fast as well if you want. There's more settings. Videos to generate. So one video would take in 24 credits. there's relaxed generations, but this would require you to upgrade your plan. And now you can generate it. And this was the result. Take a look at it. It looks nice. And then I tried the generate soundtrack. So I'm going to show you that. You can generate soundtracks for it. To make it high definition, basically upscale this video, you need to upgrade to the basic plan of theirs, but I don't want to do that. These are the soundtracks that it has generated. Take a look at it. I think the third soundtrack is the best one. It matches with the video. Next up, I wanted to try this expand feature. So I clicked on it and I want to make it into a 9:16 format. So I selected this and it's going to expand the top and bottom, this blank parts, and fill it. So this is what it created. These are the images that has been generated and you can take a look. This one looks the best. Now, based on this, you can click on Inpaint or Retouch. So I clicked on Retouch and this is what it created. It's going to enhance the image, make the colors pop and such. Next up, I wanted to try the Inpaint feature. So you can just click on this Inpaint and then you can draw over the image like this. Now you can describe what you want to Inpaint. So for me, I typed in Flaming Asteroid and this is what it created. Looks really nice. This could be a cover photo for a movie, don't you think? Let me know in the comments. There are these two trends that are very popular right now. So this is for Ghibli style. So I said, okay, create a Ghibli style image of a super dog saving the world. Same thing. But I said, okay, make a Ghibli style. And this is what it made. This first one looks the best, but you can take a look at all of them. This second one just looks weird with that globe. And this also looks weird. This one is the best. I also asked it to turn my own image into a Ghibli style portrait. So what you need to do for that is you're going to select this reference, click on it, choose your image, put it inside it, and then it's going to recognize your image. After that, you need to select what to reference. You can hover on them and you can see. So if you want to just put the object inside an generated image, you can do that. If you want to just reference the object like this, or you can just reference the human face or the character, edge, depth, and pose. Now, in our case, because we are turning the image into Ghibli style animated portrait, we're going to reference to the character, not the face. So let's save it and it's going to put this over here. And then you need to just type the prompt, turn this image into a Ghibli style portrait. And I like this one. This looks the best. You can also reference some Studio Ghibli movies on here. So style it like that movie or this movie that way. And it's going to style it based on that movie. So here I clicked on upscale and this is what it created, the upscaled version, which looks much better than this one. So it's more crispier looking, high definition. Now the second trend that is going around is creating a boxed action figure. So you can put this prompt, turn this image into a boxed action figure of a video creator. I'm going to put this prompt in the description so you can copy this and paste it here. And you can change the video creator to something else and the packaging name as well. This does not work as good as when you use it on ChatGPT, but you can also give it a benefit of doubt because it's using Image 2.0 Pro instead of using 3.0, because if you try to reference an image, it's going to just change it to Image 2.0 Pro instead of using the 3.0, which is much better, the Dream 3.0. And so I tried the same thing, but instead of turning an image, I just said, okay, create a boxed action figure of a video creator. And this time it made some really good ones. So take a look. These look really nice because it's made with the Dream 3.0. Now, one last thing that I want to show you is the AI avatar. So you can import an character image that could be your own image. But if I click on here, I can just add from assets. And I'm going to use this super dog one, this one, just input it. After that, you can select the generation effect. It could be the master mode, which is more ultra realistic full body movements, but they have got this new one, which is fast mode, which is much faster generation speed and lower generation cost. All right, now in the lip sync, you can add text to speech or you can upload your own audio as well. For this one that I generated, this AI avatar video, I used this text to speech. I added your friendly neighborhood super dog. These are all the text to speech voice that you can use. In trending, you've got all of these. I like this one, this Santa 2.
Your friendly neighborhood super dog.
This kind of voice matches with the image. All right, you can also select the speaking speed. So you can make it 1.1x.
Your friendly neighborhood super dog.
That way. I think 1.1x is fine, or you can just keep it at 1x speed. It's going to take in 12 credits. And on the right hand side, I've already generated this, so take a look at it.
Your friendly neighborhood super dog.
Okay, that looks really nice, and it looks like a scene that is taken straight out of a movie. And that's it. That's how to use Dreamina by Capcut. Did this video help solve a problem? Let me know with a like and comment. Also on the right hand side, you're going to find more Dreamina tutorials and more AI tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.